Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, so Akil on trade here. On this video I'm going to show you guys all of the trades that I took for this week. So as you guys know, this week here was NFP week, right? So which means the trades that I took was very risky and stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys the wins that I made and the losses that I made, right? So here Monday, right, I actually have a supply zone here. I actually got out into a win. So what made me got into this trade also was this minor rejection right here, and it also had a fair value gap right here. So I was actually aiming for those gaps, right? My take profit originally was a 1-to-1, but it started to show rejections there and I decided to exit out of the trade, right? So yeah, I believe that's trade number one, but next time I definitely would look for like major rejections, like these type of rejections here, like away from this zone. So hopefully the zone, like the candle here, would close like right here. And yeah, so that was just trade number one. I'm about to show you guys trade number two now. Okay guys, so trade number two here, which is Tuesday, I traded NAS 100 right on a 5-minute zone, demand zone. So here this candle here was actually having some rejections here, but what made me actually got a little bit scared was this candlestick here, because of how much selling pressure it had, right? And when that candle closed, I thought it was just going to break my zone instantly, but instead it gave us this doji candlestick, which is telling me that the market is very indecisive, right? So I was just hoping that the buyers would technically win the war there, which it did. And when this candle here closed, I was waiting for breakout structure. When breakout structure happened, I entered the trade instantly and I got out at a 1-to-2, right? So my original take profit was a 1-to-1 and I decided to hold the trade a bit longer and I got out at a 1-to-2. And yeah, I probably could have held probably to like a 1-to-3 probably, but I just wanted to, I was not trying to be greedy. And yeah, that was just a good win. And yeah, so let's just move over to trade number 3, which is Wednesday now. Okay guys, so on Wednesday here I actually made a live trade on this here. I will pop up on your screen like somewhere around here or below here, right? So yeah, so here we actually got out at a win. I actually traded this during London session, right, which is like starting of London session my time, which is like 3 a.m. and so here so okay, so we have is a demand zone marked up right here. And what made me confident about this trade was this fair value gap right here, right? I was aiming for those gap right here, which is a 1-to-1 there, right? So it came down into the zone, showed minor rejections, and again after this candle here closed, it showed like a doji candlestick that was telling me that the market was indecisive. So again, I was hoping that the buyers would have won the war again, basically. And I decided to get an at breakout structure here, and it just took us all the way up to my 1-to-1 here, and as you guys can see, it just rejected and went all the way back down, right? So yeah, that was a beautiful trade. But if you guys want a proper explanation on how I did this trade, check out the live trade. I will put that at the end of the video here, so you guys can just click it and it will take you straight to the video, right? So that was Wednesday trade here, so I'm gonna move over to Thursday trade now. Okay guys, so on Thursday here we traded AU. We got at a loss, right? As you guys can see here, I could have probably entered the trade somewhere around here when I was showing these type of rejections here, and I would have won the trade, right? But I missed this trade here, and I just waited for it to go back up to the zone, right? But what made me want to enter this trade here was these gaps right here, right? There's fair value gaps right here, two gaps right here, right? But what I was actually looking for is like rejections like this candle here, right? It did not show rejections, it just closed inside of the zone here, and I decided to enter the trade aggressively. When this candle here was forming, it went up and then it went all the way back down and it was rejected and went all the way up to my stop loss, right? Which was a bummer, but that's what we have to deal with, is NFP week. Right now I have to learn my lesson now, and I won't be trading NFP week ever again. Hopefully I can stick to that and be more disciplined, right? So I'm going to show you guys each. No, actually that's the end of the week right there, right? Yeah, because I did not trade it Friday because that Friday was NFP, right? So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and join the Discord, link in the description below. And yeah guys, peace out.